iSpot generally, very quickly, is a social networking website about nature. We're focused on helping the public to learn and share more about the nature that's all around them. Now, we basically seek to reach the public in a variety of ways. And the whole ethos behind it is that lots of people are interested in nature. They watch BBC programs, and we thought, how can we help them become more involved and engaged and learn more? And we use the hook of the thrill of observing nature and the sense of achievement you can get when you're identified. iSpot basically aims to lower barriers to ID and make nature open to all by creating a new generation of naturalists. So how have we been reaching the public? This very quickly just sweeps through some of the broader mass approaches that we've had. Some of you may have heard the Radio 4 Saving Species series. iSpot is the call to action for that. And so we're aired to a large audience every week when it's on. And there are other mechanisms which we use to reach the mass audience. But what I want to share with you more today is about how we've reached the public through our public outreach activities using our team of iSpot biodiversity mentors. Basically, these are a team of consultants we have who work across the country and engage the public with a variety of activities. We develop regional programs of work. We disseminate a lot of promotional material and resources, which we have a lot of them here today outside if you'd like some. We create links with contacts and local partners to do this, so we piggyback on things that are happening rather than reinventing the wheel. We use exhibitions, activities, events, bioblitzes, you name it. We offer practical experience with nature, which is really important. Nature walks, bug hunts, bat walks, pond dipping, rock pooling, surveys, all of that to get them more engaged and involved. Children, adults, you name it. And one of our key targets is to reach more hard-to-reach groups. This is actually linked with our work, which is funded so far by the Big Lottery Fund through a partnership called OPAL, the Open Air Laboratories Network. So some of the experience of nature we've actually done. We've worked with partners, and these are just some of the examples of some of the things that we've done. We've worked with Cornwall Neighbourhoods for Change, which reaches more of the disadvantaged groups in that area. And we've taken kids on rock pooling events and so on. We've taken people out to look more, people who have English as a second language, to work more and understand the nature that's around them. We reached more specialist groups and people who are more keen about nature through bioblitzes and other activities. So we also use resources, and this is our Opal Biodiversity Survey, which the OU led on. And basically, we took this activity out to lots of groups. There are school groups, brownie groups, and adults as well, who got engaged with contributing to science in a more direct way. So what are some of our success stories? We've done practical hands-on activities with some of the groups which are more harder to reach. This, for example, are two special needs groups that we've worked with, taking them on different experiences and this one in particular was with a special needs center where they got skills, learning about their agricultural college area, doing surveys, so they developed their knowledge and their skills as well at the same time. But one of our biggest success stories is in the north, where our mentor worked with the jobs, environment, and training to do a project where we use iSpot as a tool to connect audiences with ICT and with nature. Because reaching hard-to-reach groups definitely is a challenge with iSpot because it is a web-based tool. Basically, these people had English as a second language. Some of them never used a camera before, like that lady there. Got excited, was taking pictures. They went through the whole process, observing, learning, taking photos, posting them on iSpot, getting responses about what they're posting, and learning the whole route and getting certificates at the end. So this was one of our really big success stories last year. So what have we achieved? Over the course of the program, which we started in Mentors in 2009, we've reached close to 80,000 people in a direct way across the UK, and 16% of these are from groups deemed harder to reach. In 2011 alone, we had a particular focus on this program, and we reached almost 20,000 people, of which 7,000 were more hard to reach. So how does this impact an iSpot? I mean, this is a more rough analysis, but we can see a correlation between where we have high mentor activity and where we have achieved high levels of impact in terms of users on iSpot. And this sort of maps our data between 2010 and 2011. So there is some impact with having public outreach linked in with other tools that can work. And this is the team of mentors that we have across the country. You may see them from time to time. Thank you. And as I said, we're outside, so you can ask us any questions later.